Does your track sound unbalanced, like a certain element is too loud and overpowering? Let's fix that using volume faders. Each track has a horizontal slider on the left side. This is your volume control. Slide it to the left to make it quieter. Slide it to the right to make it louder. Let's take a listen.
Maybe it's my fault, so I take the fall.
So to me, the vocal sounds too loud. Let's turn that down a bit. And I definitely want to hear more drums, so let's turn that up. Let's try again.
Maybe it's my fault, so I take the fall.
Yeah, I like that a lot better. Volume faders are a super simple and powerful tool to get your track sounding more balanced and professional. Thank you so much for watching. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.